Hi everyone, this is Mani and welcome back to SKSecOps. Today we are going to understand one of the important concepts in Kubernetes, which is ReplicaSet. In order to understand better, let us consider one of the analogy where we have a cricket team with 11 players who are fielding on the ground. Suddenly, one player in that team got injured, so he is unable to play now. But according to the rules of the cricket, a team must always have 11 players should be fielding on the ground. Then team management or coach decides the substitute player. Now substitute player will do fielding to support their team. How this cricket analogy is related to replica set, we will discuss in just a few minutes. But before we understand replica set, first of all, we need to understand what is meant by replica. Replica means copy. Copy of what? Copy of your pod. Replica set is a group of identical pods and ensures desired number of pods are always running. In replica set, we can mention number of replicas. If I mention number of replicas to 8 means, then replica set will ensure 8 identical pods running on either node 1 or node 2 based on the resource availability. If I change the number of replicas to 4 means 4 pods are running on either node 1 or node 2. Here there can be 2 or more nodes as well, but for simplicity I have considered only 2 nodes. If something goes wrong with any pod due to application crash, resource limits and network issues, then replica set is going to replace with new pod. How cricket analogy is related to replica set? Yes, if one player got injured, how coach substituted with a new player. Similarly, replica set will replace with a new pod if something goes wrong with the existing pod. Now let us understand the definition of replica set. Replica set is to maintain a stable set of replica pods running at any given time. Let's also understand how replica set manifest file looks like, and also we will discuss some highlights which are very important in this manifest file. Here for your replica set, you need to specify kind as replica set so that this file is of type replica set object. Here you can name your replica set, but I have named it as SKSecOps-RS. You can name whatever you want this field. Now the most important thing is under spec section where you can specify the number of replicas. I have taken the number as 3 so that when we apply this manifest file, it creates 3 pods. But pod should have a running container. Where is the running container? Yes, we have defined an image of running container in pod template under container section where I have named image as Nginx. Now this replica set is selecting pod template using selector section of match labels. The other most important thing is to know when to use replica set. Replica set can be useful for self-healing. If a pod gets deleted automatically, replica set recreates it automatically. And also we can use for scaling of pods. You can scale from 3 to 10 during high traffic or high demand. And also it will be used for high availability. That's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you really like this video, click on the like button, and if you are watching for the first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share with your friends as well. Thank you so much.